You searched how to buy shares of Aptitude Software Group Plc, and this clip outlines the practical steps to purchase the stock. Aptitude Software Group Plc is a UK enterprise software firm listed on the LSE plc under the ticker APTD.L. This information is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker APTD.L to find Aptitude Software Group Plc. Verify the listing and market to ensure you select the correct LSE share. On the asset page, you will see a short company description, key details, and a price chart for context. Confirm the page shows Aptitude Software Group Plc and the ticker APTD.L before proceeding. Tap the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, and review the order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set any alerts. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description below.